Biodiversity is an important component of our ecosystem and our nature and natural environment. Unfortunately, this important constituent of our natural ecosystem is being degraded severely due to various anthropogenic activities such as expansion of agricultural and industry, high rates of pollution, forest fires, poaching, illegal trade and wildlife trafficking, and various other factors. It is unfortunate that we as humans are unable to accommodate our co-inhabitants of this planet together on the same space. As we are accentuating and increasing our population around the world, we are negligent towards our co-inhabitants that constitute an important part of our ecosystem. It is quite alarming to report that a wide diversity of species of both vertebrates and invertebrates, a major number of species of flora and fauna around the world are disappearing fast due to our inaction and inhuman negative anthropogenic activities that are impacting our environment severely. It is time that we work together on a common platform and join hands to protect the environment, to save biodiversity. Because if the biodiversity is lost, so is our humanity and our civilization. It may be time for them to go today, but it will be time for us to be extinct tomorrow. Hence, we should all work together and join hands in providing an unique support for comprehensive conservation efforts across the planet for saving biodiversity. The new slogan of this millennium should be Save Nature, Save Biodiversity. Saikat Kumar Basu reporting from Kolkata Bureau, Kalinga Chronicle TV.